If you're coming from out of town and staying in Seattle, there's no better place to be than the W. Their new fast casual breakfast concept, Trace Market, is the perfect answer to wanting great food on the go.
It's not quite your average hotel kind of breakfast situation.
Almost like a little bit of a cafe, but you wouldn't expect like such great food to come out of it.
Just a lovely place to come into and grab a quick bite, and it's so tasty.
Fast, local, artisan, and earth-friendly.
Executive Chef Ross Lewis worked hard to create a menu that uses fresh, local ingredients for food that's a step up from your typical hotel.
Fresher items are always better. It's like when you get it from the source, which someone cares so much about their product, that's when you have something that other people want.
You know, it's really open, it's fresh, and the staff is wonderful.
It's just a cute little kind of cafe vibe.
There's a number of things you can get, and we want to do it fast. We want you to come in and be like, I'm getting it, I'm going on my way, I'm going to work, I'm, whatever, because we all have busy lives.
If you really need to run for a meeting or whatever, you can grab your stuff and go. But you're always getting exceptional food because the chef is making it daily.
I love it.
Don't miss later in the show when Chef Ross and I make Trace Market's Tater Tot Breakfast Casserole.
I can't talk when I'm concentrating and not shopping with my finger.
Oh, cool.
Sorry.